Hello guys, welcome to Bike Maduk channel. So this is Suraj and today I'm going to talk about civic sense. So actually yesterday I was watching the video of civic sense, so I thought I should discuss about it. Civic sense is one of the most important part in our life, because when you civilize, so you do not change in yourself, you also change the society. And if you want to do something for the nation, so firstly you have to be changed. You have to be changed by yourself. After that you can change the world. So I thought I should discuss about it. So in my point of view, I think that civic sense is a kind of responsibility or behavior of the person or human that help us to keep our society neat and clean. Or you can simply say that how you behave when no one is watching you. So especially if I talk about in our India, so in Indian people, like we have a less civic sense as compared to another people of country like Japan, Singapore, Netherlands, Denmark. Okay, so what is the reason behind it, guys? Do you think that? So I think that the Indian people don't think that it's my responsibility. They think that it's government responsibility, and they also think that I first, not we first. Okay, so this kind of mentality stopping us to be more civilized. Okay, but guys, we also live in a nation where the person who do the cleaning, we call them kachre wala. So can you imagine the mentality? They are not kachre wala, we are kachre wala, because we are throwing garbage here and there. Instead of calling them kachre wala or garbage wala, we should call them a sanitation worker, waste management worker. And for this, there is a famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi, said that the person who do the cleaning, they are just like our mother. As the mother take care of his baby and keep their baby free from disease, in the same way the person who do the cleaning, they are take care of us and our society. Okay, so we should respect them. Okay, don't say this is kachre wala. Okay, and I think that there are four major issues by which Indian people and we are not more civilized. The first thing is that Indian education system. So we don't have a practical knowledge. Okay, we have just theoretical knowledge, and we don't have a this kind of topic or this kind of curriculum like civic sense, moral values. Okay, they are little bit in a private college, but especially if I talk about government college and local school colleges, so it is not included. And if you want to change something, so it would be better if you try since childhood, but people are not taking it seriously. So especially if I talk about the one of the famous cricketer of India, which name is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. So what does his father do? Like when he was child, like when his children was child, like Vaibhav Suryavanshi was child, at that time his father created interest towards cricket. In the same way, if we want to make our children or make our society responsible, so we have to create interest since childhood. Okay, that will be very easy. And talking about the second issue, so which is the casteism is one of the most factor in India. Con- Continue. Okay, so one of the most factor, because in the during like independence, before independence there was casteism in a top level. Okay, and the work was segregated by the upper caste. Okay, like the person who are bhangi, they had to clean our society or home. And in another hand, the next community like mehta, so they have to do the farming. And in other hand, like if a person is shamar, so they have to make a shoe. Okay, so like this kind of work which was segregated by the upper caste, excuse me, which was segregated by the upper caste. So so this is also stopping us to uh, be more civilized. And talking about the third point, which is like which is the government facility. Like in India we have a lot of fraud. Okay, so एक मिनट sir. So we have a in India we have a lot of fraud. Okay, so government are not able to handle it. Government are not providing such facility like a water facility, washroom, dustbin. Okay, but even though I worked in a local area like in big city, garbage and dustbin are there. Okay, but people are not putting garbage in dustbin. They are throwing garbage near the dustbin. So you can imagine there is also the problem of Indian people. Okay, I have also watched the video. I have also watched the video in YouTube. Okay, like there was a road being constructed in Bihar, but you know the people of Bihar were what I can say, like the people of Bihar were taking away road material. Okay, so you can imagine how the people are becoming. Okay, and the next topic is that I think that uh, the people are more focusing on like a content creator, like the person who are do argument with the policeman or the another guy. Okay, who is on a power, so they try to be become like this. Okay, like a person who don't carry helmet or don't put helmet. Okay, so he try to fight or he try to argument with policeman, and that video got viral and people try to be like I'm a something special, how I will implement the rule of government. It's my life, so I will live according to myself. Okay, but you know this is one of the most dangerous thing. Like uh, government is making me understand or making us understand this is for your safety purpose. But you know in India people don't use helmet for the safety purpose. They use it just because they use it uh, for the fear of punishment or for the taking fine. So that's all about.